Welcome, in front of me I have JBL Go 3 wireless speaker, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device. So it's very simple. We have to press the two buttons, the volume up and the Bluetooth button. So just make it, click and hold it at the same time for a few seconds. Keep holding. When you hear this characteristical sound, it means that the settings was restored to the default, and right now we can easily turn it on, and we have to tap on the power button once. So that's how you can hard reset your JBL Go 3 JBL Go 3 wireless speaker. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.